We still love each other. It's okay. I think there was a celebrity that was just in the news that was like normalized sleeping in separate beds as married couples. It's fine, dude. It doesn't happen all the time. We wake up in the same bed all the time. Like, it's fine. But like sometimes because I'm snoring or whatever else happens, she goes to the other bedroom. So the whole thing, I get it. She's wanted to, stab me a few times. A Pennsylvania man is dead because his loud snoring kept waking up his fed up neighbor who stabbed him to death to get him to stop. It's one way. That's one way to do it.